Yes, afternoon Insta family again. So coming back with another pickup from the SNKRS app because I like to practice catching W's. This is the Jordan Delta Breathe. So originally saw these online that didn't sell out. So I just thought I would show you this particular unit and the colorway. And this is an absolutely gorgeous colorway. So again, all the little details in the design, little zigzag stitching for the swoosh on the lateral and the medial side. Just the way this shoe is finished. So I thought, why not put it out of the box and I can take a quick look at it. So, again, much like the MA2 that we saw before, I do love all the little off-whitish sort of designs on this shoe. Again, I've gone with the tag on the tongue, and of course here on the side of the shoe it has a React sole on this one, so quite a beautiful design and look. Again, I opted for this colorway because, well, these colors are earth tones or muted tones and they just look pretty beautiful. It's a pretty beautiful shoe in my opinion. Now to me, as I look on the various elements and components, it has a very Jordan 1-ish look. So here with the what looks like the lower eyelets or eye stays or lace loops on a Jordan 1. The shape here, of course, of the toe and the vamp area is very Jordan 1-esque. I keep using those strange comparisons, but anyway, again here on the back, kind of finished of how a Jordan 1 piece is finished, and I like the Jumpman logo that's been embossed here and stenciled on the heel. The heel tab or the heel pull is similar to the MA2. Same here, they've gone with the tongue tag here on this particular shoe. Anyway, overall, really pretty. I like it. Maybe pretty is not the comparison or the adjective I wanted to use, but I think it's a very well made shoe, a very beautiful shoe. Staying in the collection, and something I'm definitely planning on rocking and wearing, whether it's for walking or for running or some kind of exercise or just in casual wear. So haven't tried it on yet. This is the first time taking it out of the box, so put it on. It's already come laced up. Wear it around for a couple hours and come back and give you an update. All right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and as always, keep loving each other, keep taking care of each other, and of course, stay blessed. All right, look at more.